Hi, my name's Adam. I've been a residential and commercial contractor for 35 plus years. I'm starting this channel to try to kind of help people walk through insurance claims, right? What to do when you have an insurance claim. So this video is going to be the first one. What to do in the first 24 hours of any type of insurance claim with your home in regards to your home. Over my course of years of business, I've helped people navigate this and learned a lot about it just through walking through it with them. So these are just some things that I have discovered that help, right? Help to get the claim, to get the full amount of the claim, and to get the claim done easily and with as little stress as possible. It can be a very stressful situation. So when you first have any insurance claim, no matter what it is, be it damage to the house or something within the house that happens, electrical, plumbing usually are two of the main things that happen. Documenting everything is very, very important. Taking pictures of things as they happen. I know it's a stressful time. You're usually in crisis mode. You're trying to, get everything to stop. So the first couple things is if it's internal, a water leak, an electrical issue, anything like that, shut off your main water, shut off your electrical panel, right? There's a main breaker that can shut down the panel. Document everything, take pictures of everything, take pictures of all the damage as it sits at that moment. That's very important because in 24 hours things can change quite drastically. Having those pictures for the insurance company is important. Many insurance companies, once you get a claim, will automatically just send you a check of what they believe the damage to be worth. The check is usually fairly low, mostly because they haven't seen it, or they have an adjuster out that maybe not as experienced as some of the other adjusters. So don't cash that check, right? That's important as well. Cashing that check before having a conversation of there might be more added to this will kind of be a confirmation that, okay, I'm willing to accept this check, and 90% of people do that. And that's where, things just go south from there, because people come in and they have people come in to give quotes to fix the work, and it's generally not enough to fix the work. Then they have to come out of pocket. So documenting everything is important. Not cashing that first check is important. Getting 3 quotes, right? A big company, a middle-sized company, a small company. These will give you 3 different ranges. Generally, the bigger companies are better. They've looked at a lot of jobs. They have better bidding platforms. They don't miss things as much. Sometimes, yes. But, just getting those 3 quotes is important as well. Not having a mitigation company just come in through the insurance company and start ripping out drywall and taking up carpets. Some of these mitigation companies are really good, some are not so good. They will come in, they will do the work for free, and then they will give this enormous bill to the insurance company, and they know they'll pay it because it's the first piece of the claim. And they'll cite, that you got to have dehumidifiers, you got to have guns to check for moisture, and you do have to have all that stuff. But there's companies that do that aren't as predatory and aren't as expensive. So that's another thing you can do that's important as well. So then once you have those 3 quotes and you have everything looked at, you have to then go back to the insurance company and say, I would like to meet with the adjuster again. If the adjuster's already come out, the adjuster and the contractor you choose should meet together, because they will be able to come to an understanding of, you missed this, you missed that, you missed this. Or the adjuster could explain to the contractor, this is the reason we would cover this, this is the reason we don't cover this. When you get those quotes from the insurance company, they can be pages and pages and pages. They're broke down by square footages, by linear feet. There's multiple pages with pictures. They can be very, very difficult to sort through. So getting those quotes from contractors, assessing the damage, is important because it kind of helps to decipher those very complex bids and quotes that you'll get from the insurance company. Obviously, if it's a hole in the house, like in the roof or the siding, or a tree's landed on it, obviously take a picture of the tree on the house. That's important. Or if shingles have blown off your house, take pictures of those. And then get a tarp over it, right? Get it stopped so that no more damage can occur. Another important piece. So those are the first few things you need to do. And then there's a bidding process, right? You got to go back and forth with the insurance company. You got to make sure they know every piece that was, they will fight you on everything. And that's not due to insurance companies being jerks. That's due to insurance companies having to deal with years and years of insurance fraud where people will collect as much money as they can and then not get the work fixed correctly or completely. So they will have these things called, it's like pieces that are done after the work is completed, right? So you'll get part of the money, you'll have to get the work done, you'll have to take pictures, send it to the insurance company, and then they will release another check to you. They want to make sure the work's getting done and done correctly so that their money isn't going to things it shouldn't be going to, right? It should be going to fix the house. So these are videos to help you get that money to fix your house in the right way and the amount of money you need to fix it without having to come out of pocket. So that's kind of my reason for making these videos. So subscribe if you can. Come back for more videos. I'll be posting more in the next few days. I'm going to be creating a whole section of videos on insurance claims. And that's it. I hope to see you back here soon. And thanks a lot for watching. All right.